Hey there again, Pipers. I'm back. I am out here enjoying what I think is the last mild day we're going to have. I think things are going to go south temperature-wise, like the next day or two, and they're just going to continue to keep going south. So I thought I would come out. Load up my Charlton. Probably the deepest bowl I got on a pipe. Filled it with one of my favorites, McBaron Burley London Blend. Only got about 3 ounces left. I don't care. I just want to have a good afternoon, so it'll help. For those of you who do not know, Carolina Rose, this is video number 2 of the day. So it's somewhat a shout out VR. Carolina Rose, she's got a giveaway coming up. She wants a funny story or funny video. I already made mine, posted it, so I am in. Thanks for another giveaway, Rose. I got a couple questions, not about her, just a couple questions in general. Zippos. I've been a pipe smoker for 6 years. I bought many Zippos. I still have a question about Zippos. Maybe one of you can answer it. I was in a shop a couple trips ago, getting a couple cigars. I was looking at Zippos, and I noticed quite a gap for price differences on different Zippos, and some had premium on them. What's the difference? What are the difference between a premium Zippo and like this Zippo? Somebody answer that for me, because I was looking and I was like, what is it? Do they construct them differently? I don't think so. Is it just like the finish it has on it? Maybe. Anyway, regardless, I don't think I've ever paid over 25 bucks for a Zippo. I don't think. Yeah, since I'm old, I keep track of the weather. I was checking out the weather, and tomorrow, I think it's going to be like 10 degrees colder than today, and it's just going to keep going. And I thought, why are you not out with the door open enjoying a pipe this afternoon? Because it won't be as easy tomorrow. So I got done what I needed to get done in the house, and I'm out here. We got a bunch of cardinals in the neighborhood. There's a little couple out here. So beautiful. They like to perch out here in these little bushes. A lot. Man, I sure wish I could get my hands on more of this so much. That's what happens when you're not paying attention. You're not actually reading what you're looking at. Yeah. You get burned. Mm. So I checked into my cellar. I only have Cornell and Deal Burley number 2. I don't have number 5. Thought I did. I don't. I would like to get my hands on a tin of that, though. But I think it's minus the Perique, so it's Burley's, Virginia's, and Cavendish, I think. No, Burley's, Virginia's, and Darkfire, Kentucky. I think that one I would like more than the one I reviewed, number 3, today. By a little bit. Hopped on smoking pipes. I read a comment. My other video, somebody suggested, I think it was Smoke Snacks. Could have been somebody else. Suggested Amphora Burley. I hopped on, got a pouch of that. And I ordered a tin of something else, and I can't remember what it is. That's okay. It's something that I thought I needed. So that'll be here before this series is over, and we can cover that one too. Looking into that one, reading it, I don't see how much different it's going to be. I mean, it may be a lot different than what I actually smoked today, but it looks similar. Has a lot of the similar components to it. But as I always state, I take recommendations. I welcome recommendations, and absolutely, if there's something that one of my subs enjoys, I want to try it. I've never had it. I'll try it because I've picked up too many damn good blends by listening to them. So like this one, that Cardinal, he's still just sitting there, just chilling, just like me. I gotta say, this past week and a few days has been so nice. Just calm, relax, do what I want to do what I love to do. No work, nothing. It's just been amazing. Then the weather too. Got some warm temperatures. I just can't ask for more. Yeah, this is a warning for all of you, especially in the Midwest, northern states, Northeast. Get ready. because the Arctic temps are coming. They're on their way next week. Kind of starting this weekend, going into next week. I'm really not looking forward to. So we head back to Dallas. I head back to Dallas, Texas Sunday. We're working there Monday through Friday, and we're coming back for 3 days. So I'm going to be going from probably 60-degree weather back here to single digits for 3 days. And then we're heading to Portland, Oregon for a full trip. I haven't even looked up there what the weather is or what it's going to be. Too far in the future for me. So delicious. So delicious. Cheers. Yes, it's really felt good being able to get back on here and put out some content and interact with my subs and just everybody who's been coming to the channel. I miss it a lot when I'm on these trips that the opportunity is not there for me to make a video. Kind of worries me actually a little bit, but I see channels, God, I could name off some presenters. It's got thousands and thousands of subs, and they put out really minimal amounts of videos a month. And I mean, they hold their subs. There's always people, when they put out a video, there's constantly people just going back for weeks commenting. For me, it's just as much, I want to have the content out there for all of my subs and maybe lurkers who are back. I don't want to drop off too much, end up like one of those channels that, they didn't really fall off the face of the earth, but many of the subs think they did because life got in the way or whatever. So I'm going to do my best on these trips. Try to plan ahead, make sure I got what I need. Hopefully weather will permit, the job will permit. Anyway, thought I'd come out, enjoy this pipe, which I am. Enjoy my time out here with the birds and the squirrels. Had one, he come over, he's kind of just staring at me like, are you going to feed me? And he left. He must have took it as a no. So again, hope everyone's enjoying their Tuesday. Have a very happy and safe New Year's Eve tonight. Till next time, keep them lit.